how to create an electronics accessories e-commerce website on Weebly. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own online store using this platform. So let's get started by clicking on the sign up button to create a new account. And if you already have an account, you just go with login and you proceed to type in your email or your username. Then you click on next to proceed to type in your password. So just give it a few seconds to load, and then you will be able to type in your password. And here we are. After typing the password, you click on login. After logging in, the first step of creating your store is typing a name for the store. So it doesn't matter what name you give it now, you can always change the name later. Then you click on continue. After that, you have a question and you have 3 answers. You choose the answer that fits you most. Then you do the same with this other question. Then you proceed to choosing the category of the items that you will be selling. So mine is about electronics. My store is about the electronics and accessories niche. So let's see if I can find something related to that in this list. So here we have jewelry and accessories and tech products. So I'm going to choose tech products category. And if you can't find your category in here, you just go with other, then you click on continue. After that, if you already have a store in the real world, you type in the address. If not, you just skip this step and you proceed to giving them some time to build your store. And this is the dashboard, as you can see. And in your right, you have the edit site button, which takes us to the editing phase. And here also we have the design now button, which does the same job as the edit site button. And in your left, we have 9 sections, and I'm going to explain each section for you before getting to the editing phase. So I'm going to start with website section, where we have the edit site button, which takes us to the editing phase again. And then we have domains, where you can set your domain name or change the one that you already have. Then we have the items section, where you can create new items or products, because items means products. And here you have, if you want to create new products or items, you can go to this place. And if you want to categorize the products that you already created, you can do that in this site categories, where you can create categories for your products or items. Then we have options, coupons, gift cards, customer reviews, and item preferences. Then we have the orders section, and basically it's where you can check your orders, see the fulfilled one, the shipped one, the cancelled one, and so on. Then we have the fulfillment section, where you can set up your pickup settings and your shipping settings. Then we have the reports, where you can see the reports of your site's traffic, site's activity, sources, online sales, site's items, and so on. And if you want the summary of all these reports, you can just click on summary and you can get it in there. Then we have the marketing, and in this section you can find everything related to growing your audience, from the email to automated to ads to the mailing lists and so on. And if you want again the summary of all these tools, you can just click on summary. Then we have the communications section, where you can see the email and text alerts, pop-ups, messenger, and abandoned carts. Then last but not least, we have the settings section, where you have the general settings, where you can set your company name, your address, your email, and your phone number. And if you want to change them also, as you can see here, if you want to set your company name, address, email, and your phone number. Then we have checkout, where you can set your payment processors like your Stripe account, or connecting your PayPal account, or changing the country and the currency of your store. You can do that in this place. Then we have the sales taxes and the units where you can change the site's language or edit the units that you already have. So that's it for these sections. Let's go back to overview and let's proceed to the editing phase. So just give it a few seconds to load, and here by clicking on the edit site button and give it a few seconds. So guys, with this platform you will need to be patient because it takes a little bit of time to load. So just be patient with it and everything will be good. So here we have a guide, a setup guide if you want to go with it. If not, just ignore it, it will disappear right now. And the first step we're going to go through to create our store is choosing a style for the store. As you can see, you choose the style that fits you most. And before that, let's wait for the store to be loaded up, and here it is. It's loaded up right now, and here I'm going to choose this one, which is the simplest, or I'm going to go with this one as a style, and then click on hide styles. Check if that style fits your store, then click on apply site styles. After that, you proceed to the site's design. If you want to change again the site styles, you can do that in here. If you want to add an image to be your logo, change the colors, fonts, change the shapes of the buttons. Let's do that from pale to rounded, and for images also from sharp to rounded. Then click on done. And if you want to change these other elements, you will need to upgrade your plan from the free version to the paid one. Then when you're done, you click on done, and here let's close this one first, dismiss all, dismiss. And here with this plus button, if you want to create new section like a new page, and if you want to manage the ones that you already have, you can just click on it, delete it, or change the placement of it, or hide it. You can play with all of these adjustments. So that's it guys for today's video. I just wanted to give you an idea about how this platform works. I hope I achieved that. So guys, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends to support me, and that I will appreciate that very much. So that's it guys, see you in the next video.